Hi, I'm Tora, and this is Jory Cooks, but Jory's not here anymore. So now it's Tora Cooks. Hi. We're gonna make some Mr. Noodles, because it's what I have in my house. Alright, so the first step to making this college delicacy is you want to get yourself some Mr. Noodles. I recommend getting the ones in the cups or the bowls because then I don't have to eat it dry out of a sandwich bag. Step one is you're going to want to open the lid about 3/4, not all the way, this is very important. And you also are going to take out this. Now I have the life hack coming up after all of this with this, so stay tuned. Now, once you have this opened, now you're going to want to fill it up to the little line in the cup. Alright, so our next step, we gotta heat it. Most people would put the salt in right now. Those people are animals, and that's how you get flavorless noodles. We're gonna wanna put it in for 3 minutes. Now that we're done crying for 3 minutes, our noodles are done. Now this is the tricky part. You might want to get a real adult to do it because it's hot. I like to dump out all my noodle water so the salt sticks to the noodles. Ow, that actually is really hot. Ow. Oh, it's burning. Oh, it's burning. I wish I had a real adult right now. So now that you've either burnt your fingertips off or gotten a real adult to pour it, now we can mix in the salt. Pour your lid off all the way. We don't need that anymore. I need a fork. On one. We're good. Just, it's clean. It's good. So, now we add the salt so it actually sticks to the noodles and doesn't just sit in the broth. Very, very important. Sometimes the salt likes to stick in the packet. I just rip the whole packet, get it all in there. Yeah. Then, oh yeah, mix it up. Mix it up real good. Alright, now you know what depression tastes like.